we were living in peace and harmony in Lakshadweep. It is so nice and it is so, we have a lot of freedom over there. And now the government is telling that they are developing and they are giving lot of trouble to the people.
Lakshadweep is an archipelago, group of island, consisting of 36 islands in the Arabian Sea. Its capital is the Viratti. With an area of 32 square kilometers, it is directly under the control of the center through an administrator. There is a widespread resentment in Lakshadweep over a series of bad law proposals. In this video we will study about some specific laws being imposed in Lakshadweep, which are opposed by the general public there. People in Lakshadweep are protesting against a slew of regulations introduced by the new administrator, Praful Khodar Patel, in the last 5 months of his rule. Among the new regulations are the decision to allow liquor sale in the island, ban beef, plans to disenfranchise islanders on certain counts, i.e. deprive their right to vote. The island descended from being COVID-19 free region to developing more than 6,800 cases in a year. The provision of mandatory quarantine of Dweep-bound travelers was done away with under his leadership. People are highly opposing and criticizing the latest draft regulation for the creation of Lakshadweep Development Authority, LDA. Islanders suspect that this might have been issued at the behest of real estate interests seeking to usurp the small holdings of property owned by the islanders. Majority of the islanders, 94.8% as per the 2011 census, belong to the scheduled tribes. The regulation empowers the government, identified as the administrator, to constitute planning and development authorities under it. Such authorities will serve the purpose to plan the development of any area identified as having bad layout or obsolete development. Only cantonment areas are exempted from this. Islanders opposing the move state that the new regulation vests such powers with the authority that it can prepare comprehensive development plans for any area and relocate people regardless of their will. Once picked, the land can be used as the government sees fit, i.e. with no regards for the owner of the land, whether someone has a home, shop or commercial establishment. It will be called as a land needed for public purpose. The islanders feel that this law will lead to forcible eviction, puts pressure on the owner to develop his holding as per the plan prepared by the authority. In case the owner doesn't comply, heavy penalties will be levied. The government will directly interfere with an islander's right to possess and retain their property. This means, it empowers the government to pick any land for development activities provided under its regulation. Residents have protested against the way it was prepared and pushed through without consultation.
Other laws opposed by the people are: Administrator Praful Patel has enacted a new Prevention of Antisocial Activities Regulation, also called Gunda Act, in Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep Islands have one of lowest crime rates in India. Some islanders have called this move racist. Many people claim that Lakshadweep is a territory of India, not a colony. The administrator, in his explanation, stated that this law is in order to reduce crime, while LDA is for development and welfare. Another regulation -2 child policy for Panchayat polls was proposed. It makes any person with more than 2 children ineligible to contest Panchayat polls. Neither can a person with more than 2 children be a member of a Gram Panchayat. This regulation also had adverse effects. The recent Lakshadweep Animals Preservation Regulation bans cattle slaughter and trade is seen as interference of administrator in the traditional life. The move to lift the restriction on use of alcohol for benefit of tourism in the Dweep also have attracted criticism from the islanders. Relaxation of quarantine restrictions is one of the worst moves which have introduced the novel coronavirus in the area. Protests have broken out in the Union Territory as a response to a series of administrative reforms that have been introduced since December 2020 after the administration was changed. Over the last few days you could have noticed #SaveLakshadweep has been trending on social media. Lakshadweep Rajya Sabha MP wrote a letter to the president, requesting the recall of the administrator. Many politicians, MPs of Kerala and popular actors have come out in support of people in Lakshadweep. However, the centre has said that these changes would bring about development. Addressing widespread criticism of these measures, Mr. Patel says he intends to develop Lakshadweep like neighbouring Maldives, a renowned international tourist destination. No man is good enough to govern another man without the other's consent.